Mabuhay! Hi guys, today I've got a special treat. My wife, she made me Ampalaya. It's a Filipino dish. It's super healthy. I was completely surprised by this. I didn't expect anything. I've just got out of bed and my wife, she's made me a beautiful food. Let's have a look. This is egg with eggplant and it's a beautiful combination. And let's have a go. Cayenne Thai. Well, I'll start with the rice first because everything's good with rice. This is fried rice with a little bit of garlic. And I'll try the This is Ampalaya. It's delicious, I think. Never tried this before, but from the smell coming from the kitchen, it smelled amazing. Let's try a little bit. Masa wrap. Although I think I'm wrong about the ingredient. I think the ingredient is, it's not eggplant, it's actually bitter melon, and it's really delicious. Bitter melon, I've read about this. It actually lowers the blood cholesterol in the heart, and it's very good if you've got diabetes. It's actually been proven by Western doctors to help with diabetes, and it can actually reverse it. So it's a very healthy, delicious dish. Alright guys, I'm going to continue to eat this, and if you like my video, if you've enjoyed this little short video, give me a like, give me your subscription, and join the community. I'm very happy to share different foods from the Philippines, different regions. Alright guys, until next time, ingat ka.